Blessed day, beautiful people. I am Elie and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Today guys, we will react to ATEEZ, I Am The One and Celebrate. So guys, without further ado, let's go.
I'm the one in my zone. 다른 애들은 삐약 초취한 바보들 좀 봐. 이건 무슨 일이야. 그럴 필요 없어. 난 it's okay. I'm sorry. 가슴만 더 뜨겁게 지워버리지 널 부드럽게. We don't need nothing. Oh no. I'm giving you my invitation. 아주면 pay attention. 궁궁대는 비주얼 번역인 태권. 대전 박중 난리 났어. 어떡하면 척하는 아들 가는 우리 멀어. 취하지 않은 네가 봐봐 너도 원어. 터지는 개성에 발맞춰 두드려버려. 지금 우린 마치 불놀이야. 불놀이야. 말리지마. 말리지마. 웃지마. 세상 마지막인 듯. Pop it away. Pop it away. 여기 지금 터져버릴 것 같은 취한 바보들 좀 봐. 이건 무슨 일이야. 모두 잘못 보고 있어. Oh no. 마치 그게 진짜 멋이라고. 우린 필요가 없어. Oh no. Oh no. 너도 갖고 있잖아 너만의 뜨거운 배. 여기 불이야 저기 불이야 온 동네 천지가 붉게 춤추네. 여기 붙어라 저기 붙어라 온 동네 천지가 불이 붙을 때. Yeah 두루두루 뭐 여기도 make a fire like on my tail. Yeah yeah 시작 showtime answer. 지금 우린 마치 불놀이야. 불놀이야. 말리지마. 말리지마. 웃지마. 세상 마지막인 듯. Pop it away. Pop it away. 여기 지금 터져버릴 것 같은 Yeah, I can feel this love, the greatest love. You can feel this too. We will make this love together. 드럼을 더 볼륨을 더할 더 크게 blow up 얼른 같이 다 또 괜히 특별해지고픈 밤 Let's make a party all day 생일같이 네가 입은 옷이 너의 다가 아냐 너와 난 세상 유일해
Oh, it's better than never 알로마 just don't matter 그 어떤 순간이 와도 내 색깔로 다 칠해버려 수백 5천가 지난 감정들을 치는 아치 다름이 아냐 내가 치는 믿을게
Celebrate for you Celebrate for you Yeah 거울을 마주하면 now you feel it 너로 태어난 걸 축하해 Celebrate for you Celebrate for you 너로 태어나 너로 사는 널 우리 축하해 We celebrate for you Don't care 누가 뭐라든 어떤 빛 누구처럼 24시간 속 쫓아만 가는 거 다분하지 시간 아까워 You're the one only one 70억 속 only one You're the one only one So I celebrate you all about you
키는 크다 말아 생각보다 덜 커버려서도 지구를 뒤집어라 나 같은 것도 어디 있겠냐고 yeah, 덜 크거나 더 크거나 그런 기준은 그 누구도 한 만든 사람이 없죠 throw it out
Celebrate for you Celebrate for you Yeah 거울을 마주하면 now you feel it 너로 태어난 걸 축하해 Celebrate for you Celebrate for you 너로 태어나 너로 사는 널 우리 축하해 We celebrate for you Oh 이 노래는 우리 위해 부르는 단 하나의 노래
Yeah, 우리의 노래 불러 축하해 청춘인 것 매길 수 없는 이 시간을 부딪히고 즐겨
High five 뱅가를 받아 저 높이 구름까지 축하해 너가 돼줘
Celebrate for you Celebrate for you Yeah 거울을 마주하면 now you feel it 너로 태어난 걸 축하해 Celebrate for you Celebrate for you 너로 태어난 너로 사는 날 우리 축하해 We celebrate for you
Okay guys, let's talk about these two beautiful videos. Let's start from I Am The One, or like Fireworks. I just really liked the MV. It's really them. I already heard the song somewhere. Yeah, I think that I didn't want to spoil myself, but there are so many spoilers all around Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and stuff. The song starts with Songwa, my baby, my bias, and he's looking good, okay? I really love this new style, and he was saying that he's in the zone, and I was like, yes, I can hear you. Go, let's go. It's another side of ATEEZ. It's another kind of vibe that ATEEZ only can give us. And then of course we cannot talk about Sunny. Like, I was like, okay, wait, what? It's a crop top, okay? And my mind went very blank. Like, I have a question. In every MV that we will have someone, we will show their abs. It's like a trend. It's like in order. Like Songwa first, and then Sunny, and then who's next? No, of course, guys, I am kidding. And I'm really proud of them that they are taking care of their bodies, and I should probably go on a diet. I have like 2 cakes on my bellies. And I probably need to go on a diet because I also want to wear that kind of crop tops with those abs. I really love the part that we can see the boys gathering around this radio, and on the radio it's Mingi boys. So actually I know that Mingi, after Fever Part 1, he went on a break. Wait, I think it was October, but he still participated in the MV of Fever Part 1, and in this MV only his voice was able to make it in the MV, but not him. But I really love that they still included Mingi and, you know, 8 makes one team. And also guys, I have another question. Where did they shoot this? Because how can every scene be green screen? I mean, I'm really curious. If you know, please tell me guys in the comments. Also, in my last video, I said that Yosang with blonde hair really suits him. But after seeing Yosang with very dark, I think black hair, I think that I love every side of Yosang. I mean, black hair really changed his vibe. And that's my opinion. I also love the hairstyle of Hungjun. He is also my bias and he is looking good. Also guys, I am very shocked because San can rock any colors. Like he's wearing fuchsia pink. His hair is fuchsia pink and he still looks so good. Like also guys, it's true that Yuno was driving that car. Like, does he have a car license? I'm not sure. And also guys, the tree behind them that was on fire was really on fire. Like, for these kind of questions, I think that I really have to see like the behind the scenes of the MV, and I will. The song was so good. The chorus was so amazing. The whole song actually is very catchy. They had a really great set and the mood was amazing. How they set this kind of, it's like, I think heavy mood. It's awesome. And if I'm not wrong, the ending was the spoiler for Kingdom, The Real. And guys, I have to tell you that I love that song. I really love that song. If we talk about Celebrate, I think it's a very cute special video from them. And it's cute, it's catchy, the song, guys. What they are wearing really suits them. And there were so many eye contact moments to the camera, and it felt like they were looking at us, and I was really falling in love again. And those high notes, our Maknae is not kidding. He is doing his job and I am very proud. So guys, please let me know in the comments what were your first thoughts when you saw these MV Fireworks, I Am the One. I really want to know guys, and if I miss some details that you want to emphasize, please let me know. Also guys, what do you think about the song Celebrate? So guys, that's all for now. Please continue to support ATEEZ, and I am so excited for more of their comebacks. I'm so excited for more of their songs. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and like I always say, pray more, love more, Jesus more in your life. May God bless you!